Okay, so we had a little brake noise when we put this aspect together, and you can hear it. You can hear that grind. Okay, so these brake, the tolerances on these are supposed to be perfectly round, and they're just not. But this is the noise. This cotter pin that goes through here on your caliper, that's the noise of this brake disc not being perfectly centered, and it's just catching on the cotter pin as it goes around. Okay, so we fixed our little cotter pin drag problem, and all we did is we took we loosened off our bottom caliper bolt here, took this one out, put a shim. You can see the washer in here. There's just a shim in between here now. There's not one on the bottom, there's one here. So what that's done is that's pulled the caliper back just that little bit to clear this, and now we're good.